Moin!
Moin at PAX. In this video we present the PAX rescue bag Air Zermatt. Together with our Swiss partner MKmed and Air Zermatt, we have developed a helicopter rescue bag for the transport of patients in a lying position. It's a medical device class 1 according to the MDR. To use the PAX Air Zermatt rescue bag, rescue personnel must be specially trained on this product. With the rescue bag, the patient can be carried by a person using the integrated hand loops in the side compartment marked in red. Niels is showing it. Be transported by the winch of a helicopter as external load, for which purpose the pre-installed harness in the yellow marked side compartments are used for. Or C, be transported by a rope-assisted rescue system. The patient can then also be transported in all rescue systems like trucks, boats, helicopters or airplanes. The special feature of our rescue bag is the Velcro-free closure of the top cover. The circumferential main zipper can be opened and closed easily and is additionally secured by small carabiners. Here it was made sure that the zipper do not have a carrying function. The upper cover of the helicopter patient bag is adapted to the patient by 4 straps running along the upper side. A pocket for neck braces is inserted in the inside of the upper cover. The hood can be adapted to the patient particularly well. The adjustment is made with both height adjustment and width adjustment. Niels is showing it to you. At the foot end, there's a padded storage pocket for a vacuum pump with which the internal vacuum mattress can be evacuated.
The compartments marked with the yellow zippers contain the yellow loops with the colored markings for the flight slings. In order to protect the safety relevant components such as tapes, loops and ropes of the hanger, we have deliberately avoided the use of Velcro. The colored markings make it easier to thread the corresponding hanger stands into the correct loop. The correct threading of the flying hangers is illustrated in the instruction manual. Yeah, the Eagle has landed now. All forces introduced are absorbed by webbing straps, which have been specifically developed for PPE and are used for climbing slings or climbing harnesses. The 25 mm webbing has a braking strength of 40.7 kN in the single strap, and the 45 mm webbing that is used for the handles has a braking strength of 25 kN in single strap. All of the webbings are manufactured as a climbing sling, so in a loop with bar tacks, and they all have a minimum braking strength of 22 kN. The compression straps are also color-coded. In the upper body area, the blue and the red straps are crossed and fastened over the roller buckle. Optionally, a safety device for the roller buckle can be inserted. The loop's end is knotted, so it is secured during the translation of the flight. The 2 lower body and leg straps in the green and yellow are lashed in parallel and secured in the same way. The roller buckle holders are each designed to match the color of the leashing strap to avoid confusion as far as possible.
The padded pouch at the foot end for the vacuum pump has a feed-through for the tube pre-connected to the vacuum mattress.
Then we can open the rescue bag, as discussed previously, with a zipper, what runs very smoothly and silent, so you don't frighten the patient when opening.
As previously mentioned, this is the neck color bag on the inside of the top.
So now we have a closer look to the fabric used and the way that we sewed it with the bar tags and the round tags that have different purposes, I will explain. Here we have the patient harness that is used to secure the patient within the rescue bag before we close the rescue bag and put on the compression bag. So there is double safety on that. Here we can see the attachment points for the flight harness and the carrying straps that run in a circle and are connected with bar tags that makes the thing really secure. The same is with the webbings for the attachment points for the flight harness. They run in a circle and are secured with bar tags on either side and are additionally secured with this 45mm webbing. So that is triple safe in the end.
Before we take a closer look at the bottom part, we take out the anti-rotation device and come back to that later. We close the whole thing. Thank you. Now, we have a closer look on the bottom part where we have these anti-slip patches and the double layered outer material to even secure better the webbings that at the end make the sling for the harness. Underneath these parts between the handle webbings, we have the double layered material.
Not to forget those metal D-rings that are here to be able to fold the rescue bag and either connect it to the winch or the harness of the rescue people to transport it to the scene. Now that we had a closer look to the bottom of the rescue bag, we can turn it back again and we can have a closer look to the compression straps that are here for securing the patient. One important thing is that there is no force of the compression strap that is introduced into the zippers. So all the force goes down to the bottom of the bag and the zippers are not involved in that force. In the chest area, the compression straps are crossed. They are color coded. So you have the loose end, in that case in blue, and the end with the buckle in blue. And then you have here the red one that is connected with the red buckle side. So that is prevents for doing mistakes while securing the patient. In some cases, you want to install an anti-rotation device at the end of the rescue bag to stop it from rotating under the helicopter. Therefore, we have buckles in the same pouch where we have the slings for the attachment harness, and you can easily adjust the anti-rotation device to those buckles, and you will quickly install this device, and then the operator that is lifted together with the patient can operate the anti-rotation device while flying.
For third level security, we use the yellow compression strap for securing the anti-rotation device. By using this handle, the operator just operates, of course, the anti-rotation device against the rotating direction of the bag to have it stable under the helicopter. To avoid the blow-up of the rescue bag, we have some holes at the end so that the incoming air just can go through and no blow-up will happen.
Okay, that's it for the rescue bag. For now, we will make more videos with more details that will be announced
and linked
in the link below. So that's it. Moin.
Moin.